can go to affiliate marketing. Really, a lot of us are familiar with this. American Express, they have an affiliate program, a referral program, where if I refer you as a client, I get sometimes 30,000 to 50,000 points. It's basically affiliate marketing. We're all familiar with some level of affiliate marketing. They might have called it a referral program. That's kind of where our gap and difference. All right, guys, so let's talk really quickly about the different types of affiliate marketing that there is out there. I'm not gonna go through a list of every single one of them, but I do want you to be kind of aware of the different styles of affiliate marketing that we can go after. And it's everything from paid up front, I would call these deals or gigs. That's still affiliate marketing. So let's say you have an Instagram channel that has 50,000 subscribers or followers or TikTok or whatever, and a brand comes to you and says, I will pay you $1,000 to make a video. That's paid marketing, but it's the exact same thing as affiliate marketing, right? They want to leverage your audience to make sales for their program. They're just paying you ahead of time. Anytime you can, take paid deals, unless you find that if you've got 1 million followers and you know, if I promote this myself with this good quality content, it'll make me $5,000. Obviously, I ask for an affiliate deal. It's still affiliate marketing in a sense. You're still affiliated with that brand. It's just instead of a percentage of every sale, which is performance-based, you're getting a flat rate, which doesn't require you to have any performance. There's back and forths to being able to get most of those, but you're not gonna get a performance gig if you're just the average, so-and-so. I don't get very many performance gigs. I have a couple people that pay me retainers every month to promote their stuff, but not often. What we want, what we like, and where we can actually build on our margin is if we have products that pay us a percentage. We know what that percentage is, and we can start doing the math to figure out exactly what this is gonna look like. And what's really great is there's a lot of different ways to do this. And again, affiliate marketing goes all the way from, for instance, is like if we're taking this professionally and we're trying to build a business around this, our whole goal for all of this is how do I create an audience that will listen to me cheaper than what I make when I promote them to something. One of the big things that we'll be talking about a lot as we get into the sort of more mechanics of affiliate marketing, the doing of it, before I share all this background, we'll be talking a lot about email marketing. I believe in email marketing really, really with all of my heart and soul, because it's what's kept me online for my entire career. The ability to, whenever I want, send an email to a list of people who've already raised their hand and said, I'm interested. And it doesn't matter what the product is, it doesn't matter what the niche is, having an email list is gonna make you more money. Or the affiliate percentage agreements, because I might market to somebody's offer, I know as a marketer, that person's not gonna buy today. How many times do you see something immediately and buy it? Not very often. What we wanna do is be able to build ourselves into this business where like, hey, I'm promoting this business and they do a ton of remarketing. If somebody buys in 30 days, I still get commission. So there's a give